Okay, so to do some fun stuff with Flask framework, we need to install Python. So I'm just head over to this python.org and I'll download Python 3.8.5. Okay, so once you are done downloading, you should double click on it to run it. And you click on add to path, and this will be added to your path. And you click on customize installation, and you see it comes along with pip, which will help us to install Flask and other packages that we want. I'll click on next, and I'll click on add for all users, which will add it to my path and everything. So I'll click on install. Okay, and I'll click on yes. So let's go for a short break and come back whilst Python does all the installation for us. Okay, now that Python is installed, let's launch our terminal to see whether our Python is really installed successfully. So I'll just run the command python version. Okay, hit on enter, and I have Python 3.8.5 installed. Now that we're done with that, let's go have some fun stuff. I will navigate into my desktop folder, and so desktop, and into a project folder I have called CodeMon. Alright, then I'll clear everything here. Let's come back for a second episode and walk through how to get Flask running on your machine.